Hey guys, I made a salad. It's a spring salad with cashews and some grapes with Gorgonzola cheese and low-fat walnut, raspberry walnut dressing. Okay. I really didn't feel like having any meat. Something light. I was planning on going to the gym with my husband today, but I didn't feel that very good. I got dressed and everything. Oh well. I'm telling you, I need to start getting back into the gym as much as I used to. But with this back pain that I have, it's becoming very difficult. I mean, all I have to do is cardio and just a little bit of weights, but nothing that'll actually trigger my back to flare. I do like walking on the treadmill and doing also the elliptical. I like that. This tastes really good, guys. You have to try it one time. Publix almost does it like this, but instead of grapes, they use strawberries, and instead of cashews, they'll use walnut. But I can't find that dressing that they use for that salad. So I substituted the raspberry walnut dressing for the other dressing. My husband's coming back soon, so I'll probably make some dinner for the kids and then for us later. Hopefully ribs. Delicious. He makes the best ribs and wings. Really good. I cannot wait for Halloween. Last year we went to the Biltmore. I got so scared. I vlogged it. I got so scared. My stepson and my husband went up to the 13th floor, and supposedly there was a party there. I went before and they had some chains, because you can't go, I don't remember you being able to go from the 12th floor to the 13th on the elevator. So we took the stairs. This is the first time I went. And then there was chains bolted to the door, and you weren't able to go in. So this time, my husband and my stepson, I was almost crapping in my pants. They went up and they said there was a party. I guess they use it and reserve it for parties. That must be expensive. I look so tired. Wow. The dressing is so delicious. I'm starving. I don't know if you guys like scary stuff, but I love it. There's this new series called The Exorcist. I'm sure you people have heard about it. We saw episode 4 yesterday. Comes on at 9 o'clock every Friday. That'll scare the living wits out of anyone. I don't know how someone can get possessed. That's crazy. I have no idea. Sorry, guys. I'm back. So, The Exorcist. I don't want to miss one episode. Excuse me. Not one. And today's October 14th. It's almost Halloween. And I have no idea what I'm gonna be. I have to dress up. I want to dress up. We're all gonna be something this year. We like it. It's nice how the whole family likes to get dressed up to do something for Halloween. And then people like to actually get involved and decorate their house. Even almost making it like a little haunted house for the kids. It's so much fun. I can't believe I didn't go to the gym today. I mean, maybe something was telling me. I don't know, I felt bad. I don't know what it could have been. And at the last minute too, my husband was just running out. Oh, baby, let's go. I told him straight out, oh my God, I don't feel good. I felt bad that he went by himself, but he just called me right now and he's like, baby, are you okay? Oh well, man. Tomorrow's another day, and I'll make sure I watch what I eat so I won't get a stomachache. I love chopsticks. Oh. GPS is telling me my hubby's almost close. Woo. That went down the wrong tube. I'm almost done. Spring salad is my favorite. Especially like this. There's a sweet, a salty, this cheese, Gorgonzola cheese. It's really good. So delicious. That hit the spot. My nose is runny. Not even spicy. Ow. You know, these mukbangs are really blowing up. I like them though. I like them a lot. They're fun. Well, all done. I won't drink that. Well, thank you for joining me on the mukbang. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Be safe and peace.